in this lecture, we are going to consider behavioral addiction. This is about addiction without drugs. It's about disorders where there an excessive behavior, for example, with gambling, internet use, of perhaps shopping. We often hear people say that they are addicted to eating certain kinds of food, or that they're addicted to watching certain television shows. People have written books about their various addictions. People have asked me if I thought that their internet use was an addiction. Before we can responsibly say that something is addiction, there has to be a scientific study of that problem. It has to be clearly demonstrated that behavior in some people has the characteristic of a brain disorder or addictions. At this time, we can say that there is evidence for gambling as an addictive disorder, and it seems likely that in the future there will be more evidence, and some additionally behaviors will be considered an addiction that may require trapping for some people. What have we learned about gambling that allows us to classify it as an addiction for some people? Well, it's been shown that gambling can be a persistent behavior that causes harmful effects in life. The harmful effects, of course, can be a loss of money, such that you don't meet your obligation, like paying the rent or buying food for your family. In addition to gambling away money that you need, there are some other characteristics. For example, you haven't been able to get back or stop, and you experience stress when you to try stop. You may lie or try to conceal how much you gambling, and you may gamble after episodes of stress. As with other addiction, you may be able to walk away from gambling for some time but then relapse. Studies have documented that there are people who behave in this way and who benefit from treatment. You may have recognized that many of the characteristics of gambling disorder are similar to those for drug abuse disorders of addictions. I refer to continue as in spite of negative consequences and relapses after of during stress. This will be among the criteria for addictions. Can you get help of treatment or for gambling? Of course you can. You only have to find a suitable treatment provider. What if you are involved with internet use or shopping or sex to the point where it's causing personal distress because or harmful consequences? Even so, this behavior may not be officially classified as addiction right now. You can still get treatment for this problem if you need. So, in that sense, it doesn't matter if the behavior is official, described as a disorder or an addiction. If you have a problem, help is available. In summary, here are three main points. Certain behaviors can be addictive in the sense that you can do them again and again, even though they have harmful consequences. The main behavior that this has been documented for is gambling. In the future, other behaviors are likely to be established as addictive disorders for some as well. If you are involved in a behavior that is somehow destructive to you. You can still get help from a treatment professional no matter what it is. After this lecture, I'd like you to go to the internet and look at various studies that deal with gambling as an addiction, and I'd like you to focus on two different kinds of status. The first type, I'd like you to look at others that describe gambling as an addiction. What do they say about it? The next kind of site that I'd like you to look at are the tournament sites identified one or two places or groups that trades gambling. As the different kinds of gambling tournaments, I think you will see that there is much available having to do with gambling as an addiction. Finally, let me briefly review two topics covered in this first week. The definition of addiction and abuse has been described. I've talked about how drugs use has spread throughout history and what that may mean. It's been noted that the brain, the organ of behavioral, is central to the addiction problem. Many kinds of drugs and some behaviors can be addicting, and this can be very detrimental both economically and personally. There are more to come on each of the ideas in future lecture. The present program incorporated by Emory University.